What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap again. I traded stock NETE. I missed the big move. I was on the phone, but at least I got a little piece of it. Check it out. Well, guys, as I sit here and I watch NETE move on to new highs without me, I have to sit here at least be grateful I caught a very small piece of it and made some profit out of it at least. Made back yesterday's loss and some, so not a bad day at all. Yesterday I tweeted about it. I took a $50 loss on, I don't even remember what stock it was. I took one trade and that was it. Very small loss, just 50 bucks. So it didn't really matter. And then called it a day because the volume wasn't there. The follow through wasn't there. It was one and done. So we had out of the gates one big fat move followed by a smaller little bounce and then complete destruction. So I was not expecting today to be any better at all. So I honestly got up, looked at my scans, and literally went back to bed and said I'll wake up later and I'll do my regular, work that I do, and I'll take a peek at the market. If there's something tradable, I'll trade it. If not, then there isn't. And this morning I was on a phone call while this was happening. I was watching NETE for a breakover VWAP like this to get long, but I missed it because I was on the phone handling other business, trying to generate revenue other ways, right? So I missed this. I missed it, and it sucked to miss it, especially since I was watching it while I was on the phone happen right in front of me. Once the stock got halted, I hung up the phone and I smashed the like button on a YouTube video I was watching. So go ahead and do the same for me. Smash that like button for me right now, and I'll show you the live trade on this. While it was halted, it sucked as it got halted right in front of the high of the day, or as it made a new high by a penny, basically. So I said to myself, I'm going to watch it out of the halt. If we have a pullback into this 90 MA area and this little pivot here, I will look to get long, just small size, 500 shares, and see if I can ride this back up over its halt price and maybe we get a squeeze going. Well, as you can see, it's been very choppy action out of that halt. Nonetheless, green on the trade. I was able to enter it down here in the low 480s, and I took some profit off as soon as we pushed back up here. I put out a sell order at 505 and got filled at 507. And then my last 250 shares, I was holding those for a push up to 530. Why 530? Well, because we're not getting a lot of follow through in small caps this week. So here we go. That's the 200-day moving average right there in front of that 540 area. So I said, you know what? I'll put my shares up in front of that, get them filled, book a real nice little green day there. I mean, if I would have got that filled, I would have booked myself a nice solid, $180 day. So that would have been real nice. But what happened was I set my stop just above break even on the rest of the trade. So let me see what candle it was. I believe it was on this red candle right here. We had a quick flash dip and I got stopped out, and that was it. That was my trade. I got stopped out and missed out on this bounce. It was really, really whippy, like more so than I expected. I expected once it regained this halt price, right here in front of $5, this 496 area, I expected it to hold $5 and then squeeze from there. But it just refused to. It was extremely whiplashy. So now it's holding $5. But I'm not going to push my luck today. We haven't been seeing real good continuation out of small caps this week, and I'm not gonna like jump in front of it and expect this one to be the one that goes to $6-7. Can it? Absolutely. It's low float enough, has news, but is the probability there? Not really. So I'm not gonna be the guinea pig in essence. I took my first trade on it, took my profit, put the rest at break even, and it hit my stop loss. I'm out. Wash my hands. Green day, green trade. I'm not going to complain about it, and I'm not going to feel bad if this goes to $10 now. If it resets itself up, maybe I trade it. Maybe I don't. Let's see here. Oh my God, it didn't record I didn't get to record it. I clicked record, but it didn't record the live trade, guys. I'm so sorry. No. Sorry, guys. It didn't record it. Damn. Well, here are my orders. Buy NETE 482. Sell some 507. Stopped out the rest at 489. So, you know, I still made profit all the way around, sitting on a $70 day. There it goes to test that 200 day at 540 area. So really bummed out I don't have the live trade for you guys. I really am. I'm more bummed out about that than selling out my last piece, you know, in front of break even there. I'm watching it squeeze a little bit higher. All right, I'm sorry guys. Well, hopefully, you know, on the next trade that I do, I'll be able to capture it live for you, and we can go over it as well step by step. Once again, you know, I showed you my orders there. I got long in this candle right out of the halt, and I sold some as we squeezed back up, and then I got stopped out the rest in this candle right here. Each of these candles are 3-minute candles. Zoom in for you right here. So long in here at 482, sold some up here at 507, and then stopped out the rest here at 489 as we started to come back down, because I expected it to hold, you know, this halt price. I did not expect it to come back down underneath that halt price. I knew that it could happen because it's a very, very volatile stock, but I wasn't looking for that. You know, I'm not looking today to capture, like you've seen in the past in my other videos, 50 cent, 80 cent, $1 move. I'm not looking for that because the market's just not giving it to us right now. So I'm taking profit as we get it. So I took some profit there off of 507 from a 482 entry, which is not bad at all. I'll tell you right now, that's 507, 482, that's 25 cents a share. I'm not going to complain about that at all. So sitting nice on a little $70 day profit. Not going to complain about that. Green is good. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you have, thank you very much. Smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.